Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you 6 DIY Dollar Tree candy cane wreath decor crafts. So this is episode 7 in my huge I Love Christmas series. I also did over 100 Dollar Tree fall and Halloween decor DIYs. If you guys need Christmas and fall decorating inspiration, I'm going to put both of those playlists down below in the description box. Definitely go check them out. But in today's video, I want to share with you 6 different ways you can use those Dollar Tree candy cane wreaths forms to make a gorgeous, fabulous wreath. I'm going to share with you guys different colors and styles. So I'm over the moon excited to share this with you guys. I hope you really get your creative juices flowing. Without further ado, plug in your glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. For the first Dollar Tree candy cane wreath craft, we're going to use a candy cane wire wreath form from the Dollar Tree and also some candy cane ribbon that I found at Hobby Lobby. I know Walmart also carries this candy cane ribbon if you want to do a traditional candy cane wreath ribbon craft. So just hot glue that ribbon to the base of your candy cane wire form and then begin to just twist it around, in and around, in and around. I twisted it about 5 or 6 times and then I would add some hot glue and then twist it some more and then add some hot glue. And on each end you can leave just a tiny bit of excess on the end and then just tuck it under and add another little dabble of hot glue. Can I just tell you guys could totally do this, and how fun and easy these were to do. They make a great tree topper, they make great front door decor. You can make them into a fun and fabulous wreath. Really, the sky is the limit, and check for these out in your Dollar Trees. So just go ahead and make a super easy Olivia bow. You want to loop the ribbon over on itself several times until you get 2 loops on each side. Go ahead and trim that off, pinch it in the middle, and then you're going to take a piece of pipe cleaner and you're just going to pipe cleaner your little Olivia bow together. Now, I like to make tons of layers because I love to go super extra on my bows. Now I'm using some Dollar Tree deco mesh and I'm going to make an Olivia bow with the deco mesh. So same style as before, you loop it over on itself several times, pinch it in the center, trim it off, and you can just use a pipe cleaner to keep your little ribbons together. That's how I've been doing it. Now you're going to notice that I'm not notching my Olivia bow in the center because I am going to be doing a lot of DIYs for the holiday season and I want to be able to repurpose and reuse my ribbon. So now I'm just taking some red ribbon, and this ribbon is a little bit thinner, and as I move towards the center of my Olivia bow, I do make the loops a little bit smaller. It's up to you how you want it to look, but that does help kind of be able to show off all the different ribbons. So now I'm just pinching it in the center again, and I'm going to go ahead and wire it all together with my little Dollar Tree pipe cleaner, and then I'm going to give my bow a good fluffing. To fluff your bows, just pull out all the ribbons. Now don't pull too hard because you don't want to pull your bow apart, but you do want to pull and then twist your ribbon to kind of fluff it out. And oh my heavens, who is that in the studio helping me decorate the Christmas tree? So here it is. I added it to the center of this Christmas tree just to kind of show you guys how it would look if you were adding it to a Christmas tree. But again, these are fabulous on any space in your holiday home, whether it be a door hanger or a Christmas tree ornament or just any little space that needs to be dolled up.
Ho, ho, ho. A note from Olivia. Do you think she's been naughty or nice? Ho, ho, ho. Milk and cookies. She's definitely been nice.
Oh my goodness, I'm so happy that I'm on Santa's nice list. I guess those cookies really do help. So for the next Dollar Tree candy cane craft DIY, we're going to take some white ribbon. Now I had a really sweet subscriber send me this white ribbon, but I do know that they have white ribbon at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and Walmart. And you could even use some white mesh from the Dollar Tree. So go ahead and hot glue it again to the end and then twist it and wrap it, and then go ahead and hot glue it some more and just continue on this same process. It's going to be pretty much the same process for the base of these wreaths. And then we're going to take some pretty little pink ribbon. Now, I found this at the thrift store. It was only $1. I was so super excited, but I'm going to use this pink ribbon to make candy cane stripes. Now, think about this, you guys. Just use any color of ribbon that you have in your craft stash that you want to use to go for your Christmas colors can really make a candy cane wreath. And the other thing is you could also use those Dollar Tree white automotive cloths, just trim them and use that to make your candy cane white base as well if you don't have any white ribbon on hand. So now we're going to make a super fabulous glittering glam bow with some of that Dollar Tree glittering ribbon. So you're just going to make an Olivia bow, and I did want to make this kind of slow so everybody can see, but you take it and you loop that ribbon over on itself, and you're going to do it several times, and you can see I'm counting to make sure on each side of the ribbon loops I have 2 ribbon loops. So that'll be 4 loops total, and then you're just going to fold it over in the center, and I'm going to pipe cleaner it together to kind of hold it together while I make the next set of ribbons. And so I'm going to use Dollar Tree gold sparkling ribbon and then the Dollar Tree silver sparkling ribbon. And watch out, you guys, this ribbon has a ton of sparkling fallout, which doesn't bother me too much because I love my sparkles and bows. You guys know me. So go ahead and make another Olivia bow. Now this one I made a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to go ahead and make another pink Olivia bow with my thrift store ribbon and just loop it over on itself again and then pinch it in the center. And then I'm going to use a pipe cleaner and I'm going to wire these all together, and that's what's going to go on our cute little candy cane ribbon. But again, you guys, check out your craft stash and see what you have on hand. Look for ribbon at the Dollar Tree in their crafting section. They do have pink ribbon that I find, but this is what I already had because I had picked it up a couple weekends ago at the thrift store. So now here's the secret to my bow. See how I'm pulling it out and then twisting the loop over? That really helps. So you want to go ahead and just take your ribbon loops, twist it, and kind of twist it out. Pull it out and then give it a twist. That will really help your bows really stand up and be absolutely fabulous. And the bow fluffing is what makes your bows really nice and fabulous. And try not to get frustrated with yourself. I usually pull all of my ribbon loops out and then I attach my bow to a wreath or garland, and then I begin to fluff it some more. So I'm going to go ahead and attach it with that little pipe cleaner and then give it a good fluffing, and then voila, here we go. Oh my goodness, how absolutely gorgeous and perfect is this? So sweet and sparkling, especially if you're going to do a fabulous pink Christmas, or maybe you're doing this for your granddaughter or your baby girl. So sweet and gorgeous, or you just love that beautiful shabby chic look. I did a whole shabby chic look for Vintage Holiday magazine last season. They did a huge feature on my home for Pink Christmas. So Pink Christmas has a big spot on my heart, and I will definitely be doing some more shabby chic and Pink Christmas this season. So for the next Dollar Tree candy cane wreath craft, we are going to go ahead and use one of those Dollar Tree infinity scarves. It's a buffalo check plaid scarf, and I just went ahead and cut it in half, and then I'm going to hot glue it to the base of my wreath form, and I'm going to twist it up. So just think about any of the Dollar Tree scarves that you guys see that you love that have a cute little pattern, and you can totally use those to make this. I only needed one, so this is a great ribbon saver as well if you just don't have the ribbon on hand that you want, or you want to do something a little bit different and kind of artsy. So I went ahead and just wrapped it all the way around, hot glued it, and then hot glued it at the end. And now I'm going to make an Olivia bow using some burlap ribbon. I already had this ribbon on hand, but Dollar Tree definitely has burlap ribbon that's really nice. So I just made 2 loops and then I'm fluffing it out. And then I'm going to use some of that Dollar Tree plaid Christmas ribbon to create the second little loop here. Again, these are super easy Olivia bows. I really wanted to share with you guys different styles on this craft and how easy it can be to create this little custom kind of wreath ornament craft. And you guys, these would be great for crafts fairs as well. Now this buffalo check plaid ribbon came from Hobby Lobby, but you guys have been telling me that they have it at Walmart. So definitely check out Walmart if you want to get a great deal on it. So here it is. This is pretty simple. You guys could also really embellish this, and oh my goodness, goodness, who is back in my studio again, eating my cookies and helping me decorate? But anyway, you guys could add a little ornament to the center. You can see I added some little green picks to the top of it. The sky is the limit on how you can glam these up or doll these up. You could add a bow to the base of it, some sparkles. And then here's that cute little snowman that we did in one of the last DIYs, as well as a cute little gnome. Definitely check out my I Love Christmas series playlist if you guys want to jam out some more on these DIYs. That's actually a carvable pumpkin that you see right there on that Christmas tree with that ornament. I wanted to share with you guys how to repurpose and reuse a lot of your other holiday decor to make Christmas ornaments, because I think it's a great idea to repurpose and reuse as much as you can. And that little snowman was actually made out of a Dollar Tree sign that was one of those pumpkin signs. So definitely check out that video if you guys need some inspiration and would love to repurpose and reuse some of your Halloween and fall decor. So fun, and I just love stuff like that. Okay, so for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to do a burlap one. Now again, they do have burlap ribbon at Dollar Tree. I already had this on hand from burlapfabric.com. Huge shout out and thank you to them for sending me burlap crafting supplies. I love that. They also have a $5 off coupon for you guys. The coupon code is Olivia Fall if you guys want to use that. And so I'll link just a link to their website down below. But this burlap came in a huge roll, you guys, and it's been awesome for crafting. And I'm going to use it in some of my Christmas decor. So now I'm just using some of that black and white check buffalo check plaid ribbon, and I'm using the same kind of base ribbon with the burlap with the several loops. Again, this is an Olivia bow, but I am doing more like 3 loops on this one because I want to make it just with the buffalo check plaid. So I'm showing you guys kind of more of a farmhouse style on this one, which is kind of more simple and just elegant, and it's going to go in with some of those farmhouse ornaments that I shared with you guys. We did that little red truck. Again, it was a Dollar Tree sign repurpose, and then that big ornament you see right there is actually a Dollar Tree beach ball. So super fun, but I love this look. It's so soft and easy on the eye and very clean looking. I used a ton of the buffalo check plaid in my fall decor, and again, it is super hot for winter decor. Walmart has it. They have the fabric and they have the ribbon, as well as Hobby Lobby, and I believe even Michael's might be carrying it as well. So for the next Dollar Tree candy cane wreath craft, we're going to use some of the sparkling Dollar Tree glittery gold tulle. And I want to create a glam candy cane for you guys. I know a lot of you decorate in the glam style. So again, I'm just hot gluing it to the base, and then I'm just winding it around. I'm using that same white candy cane base that we used for the pink one. Now I am going to do an Olivia bow with the tulle. So again, you just loop it over on itself, and it's super easy here. And I didn't even have to hot glue the tulle. It stuck to the fabric pretty well. Just a little tip on that. So then I'm going to go ahead and trim it off, and I'm going to add it to the center of that sparkling bow. Again, this was the same bow kind of that we used on the pink and white candy cane ribbon. I'm going to give it a little bit of twist, and voila, here we go. And you could also add that pretty little Dollar Tree joy ribbon to the center. So I just tied a little shoelace bow for this, and then I'm popping it into the center of this bow to doll it up. You guys could add any sort of ornament or any little goodie to doll this up. Here it is on my Christmas tree. Now this is a very soft look. I used white ornaments and some of the sparkling Dollar Tree gold ornaments. I love those jeweled ornaments. I went crazy for them last year. I just think they're so great to add some sparkle and shine. And then here is a DIY that I have to share with you guys upcoming with those little deer and those pretty little ice skates my dear Aunt Janet sent me. Thank you, Janet, if you're watching. I love you to the moon and back. And then again, just to look at the glam. I love it on the frosted Christmas tree. I think it's so simple and so sweet. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to use the base again with the little burlap colored ribbon, and then I'm using some of that Dollar Tree plaid ribbon, and I'm just going to wind it in and around this candy cane. And this was actually a scrap piece of ribbon that I used, so
So you guys don't have to have a whole super ton of ribbon to do these. And then I'm creating a little Dollar Tree bow with some of that Christmas tree ribbon. I felt like this was really a traditional kind of look, going for the plaid and then the little Christmas trees. Again, this is a super easy little Olivia bow. You're going to fluff it out, tie it on with that pipe cleaner, and just kind of curl those little ribbon tails around to give it that extra boutique finish. Working with this on a budget. Now, these are great to use. These are those little Dollar Tree evergreen picks, and I think they come out so fabulous and fun. And here is the tree decorated more in a traditional holiday style, but using some of those buffalo check plaid ornaments that I picked up at Dollar Tree. Check out my haul if you guys want to see some of the fun ornaments that they have out this year. Again, it's going to be linked in my I Love Christmas playlist. And also, if you guys are decorating for fall and Halloween, I totally get you. My house is decked out head to toe for fall and Halloween right now. I have over 100 DIYs that I shared with you guys for that season. There's 32 episodes in my I Love Fall series, and I'm going to link that playlist down below as well. I love how the red though pops against this flocked Christmas tree. And to let you guys know, I did get the flocked Christmas tree at Walmart last season. So here was the first episode 1 of my I Love Christmas series where we put up the Christmas tree, and then here was the first Dollar Tree haul sharing with you Dollar Tree crafts. Here is episode 3 where we repurposed old home decor, and then I did a Dollar Tree haul on their ornaments, and then here is how we repurposed and reused and made the gnome the snowman. Here's that fun little Dollar Tree tree that we did, and then here is today's video.
Okay guys, so here is my thrift store outfit of the day. I just have this really pretty little red top. Actually, my aunt picked this up for me. It was free. And then I have a white tank top underneath. I paired it with my little distressed jean jacket, my Goodwill pants, and then some cute little black boots. So there you have it. A little wacky, but I think you could dress it up or down. And then I just have my tassel earrings, and I actually got these at TJ Maxx, and I just love them. I wear them all the time. So there you have it, guys. So thank you all so much for joining me on another DIY Dollar Tree adventure. It is such a true blessing and an honor to have you all here. I just want to tell you, crafting is so good for your soul, and I'm just so proud of all of you guys, for everybody that shares their projects, kind comments with me. I love you to the moon and back. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of this fun and crazy crafting journey. And for everybody that comes back and comments and likes and shares my videos, thank you guys. You're making my YouTube journey amazing. I could not do this without you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I also have an Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page. If you guys like to crazy craft and share pictures of your projects or your home decor, I would love to see what you guys are up to. Pop over there, request to join. I'll approve your request and you can start posting away your fun and fabulous projects. I know it's really helping a lot of people in that fun little community. There's so many kind people over there, so thank you guys for that. I also have an Olivia's Romantic Home Instagram page. If you guys want to see behind the scenes of my crazy little crafty mama life, definitely join me over there. Anyway, I'm wishing you guys a fabulous, blessed day. Again, I love you to the moon and back. Thank you for being here. I'm giving you all big hugs. Until the next video, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.